Okay, if you felt pretty confident with those examples, go ahead and pause the video now and try these on your own. Please pause now. Okay, for D, I'm going to multiply 6 times A and then 6 times 4, and I'm going to get 6A plus 24, because 6 times 4 is 24. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side where I multiply 8 times M and 8 times 3N, and I'm going to have 8 times M is 8M plus 24N. Okay, and then down here, right there, again, negative 3 times y, and negative 3 times negative 10. Negative 3 times y is negative 3y. Negative times negative, right here, negative times negative is going to be positive, so that's going to change to a positive 30. And then finally, a half times w is half w, minus, because it's positive, see, positive times negative, and half of 4 is going to be negative 2. And there you have it. Again, for the sake of time, please read through example 7 on your own. Make sure that you understand it, boys and girls. This is where your effort counts. This is where those students differentiate from those A students to those B or C students. You want to be the A student, make the extra effort of reading through this and seeing how it's figured out, how it's solved. If you still don't understand, ask in class. So I hope you paused the video and actually looked carefully through that example. Let's do this one. A sports club rents dirt bikes for $37.50 each. Find the total cost for the club to rent 20 bikes. Oh my goodness, 20 bikes. Justify your answer by using the distributive property. Okay, well, we have 20 bikes times 37.5 or 37.50. You could use, you could write as the distributive property where you write 20 and you write 37 plus 0.5. That would be another way to do it, but why when we already have 37.50 together, right? And this would be 20 times 37 and 20 times a half. I know that 20 times 37, you know how to do 10 times 37 is 370. Well, 370 plus 370 is going to be 740, right? 740 plus a half of 10, 700. Let me do that here. 740. That's what multiplying these two will give me. And 20 times a half is half of 20, which would be 10. And my answer is going to be $750. Therefore, it will cost $750 to rent 20 bikes. Okay, here's the guide to practice. Please leave it for class so we can do it together as a warm-up. Complete the independent practice on your own. Okay, you should know how to do most of this by now. If you don't know, please look at the examples. And for the back of the independent page, they want us to use distributive properties to solve these mental math questions. For example, look at 15. What they want us to do is they want us to write 9 times 30 plus 5. That makes it a lot easier, right? 9 times 3 is 27. You add the 0 in and you get 270. Right? And then plus 9 times 5 is 45. Okay? And it's quite easier to add those two together to 315. That's a nice, easy way to do it. For 16, you can do the same. You have 8 times 20 plus 8. Right? There's your 28. 8 times 20 is 160. Plus 8 times 8 is 64. When you add those two together, you get 224. Right? Okay. I want you to go ahead and try the rest on your own. Okay, we'll check them in class. See you in class, everyone.